Hello everyone, I'm Serena Yenrembam, and in this video, I'm going to take you all on a trip with Girl Up Khonjel. Okay, that was weak, but we were saving our energy for the day. Then we got on our bus to start our journey. It was 8:48 a.m. and we were super excited to go on this trip. We reached Churachandpur at around 10 a.m. This was the community hall where we conducted our workshop. Our members started working as soon as we got there. What I love about Baala pads is that it is reusable up to 2 years. So it is less harmful to the environment than normal disposable pads. Each box contains 1 cloth bag and 3 Baala pads. They are designed to be leak-proof, highly absorbent, and very comfortable. We were all set to start our workshop. Here is our chief guest. He is a good boy who loves to be petted. Let me tell you a little bit about Project Adhikar. Project Adhikar is an awareness campaign of Girl Up India in collaboration with Project Baala. Here, Adhikar is the basic human right to bleed with dignity and safety. Project Baala is an innovative menstrual solutions provider. Their aim is to end period poverty and period illiteracy. They want to provide access to affordable and sustainable menstrual hygiene products and combat harmful myths and taboos on menstruation. Our guest of honor, Upathenkolal Baite, gave the dedication prayer.
Project Adhikar Noya
Then, the village chief, Pu Thangminlen Baite, gave a short speech. And she is our president, Riddhi Puyang.
This is our showstopper.
Vice President, Rajshri Laishram.
Taking care of your
Girl Up Khonjel is a club under Girl Up Campaign, which is an initiative by the United Nations Foundation. We are a movement to advance girls' skills, rights, and opportunities to be leaders. We believe that when girls rise, we all rise. Okay, so back to our workshop. Then, the Vice President of B Phaicham Youth Club gave us his speech. Our girls did a really good job with the presentation. They explained why do we menstruate, how to manage period pains, when to visit a doctor, how to maintain hygiene, environmental implications, and how to solve them, myths, taboos, and confidence building, introduction to Baala pads, and important questions around menstrual hygiene management. After the presentation, we distributed Baala pads to 65 beneficiaries who are of 12 to 25 years of age. We cleared all their doubts with an interaction session. These girls seem to have some really important things to discuss. Then we had some snacks to get ready for the fun part. These girls danced so well, so I had to put the whole dance on my video. Serena and Maria did a really good job. They sang so beautifully. Then it was the turn of our boys, Girish Laishram and Ronel, to entertain us. I don't know about you guys, but I really enjoyed their song. Let me introduce you all to the star of the show, Malvika Saugaitam. Then the beneficiaries gave their testimonials.
We were given like free pads with sustainable pad, and it's also my first time, and I can't wait to use it as well. And I would like to thank the girl Khonjel team for coming here.
ความเป็นดุนยาต้องคนได้คนเสียเกิดสับคนเสียคนดุนยา
We wrapped up the show and went for lunch. Churachandpur village has some really good cooks. They cooked chicken for us and we had some really nice umuro side dish. After a hearty meal, we cleaned up the dishes. Then it was time to go back home. We will definitely miss Churachandpur. The people were so warm and kind to us, and we had a lot of fun.
You said never let me go. You said never let me go.
we reached the bus stop at 5 and waved each other goodbye.
Churachandpur laiba B Phaicham Village ngarang Girl of Khonjel organized a workshop for the distribution of sustainable sanitary pads to 65 beneficiaries.
Nupigi thagi khongkak oiba scientific mahai masing khanghanba amadi section thorang lokhotpa haiba hiram singda sogaina khanghanki.
It never worked out fine. I watched it fall away. It slipped right through my fingers as I heard you say. You said never let me go. You said never let me go. You said never let me go. You said never let me go.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe and keep supporting us.